Welcome back to the Be Your Own Boss channel, where we give extraordinary lectures in agriculture and livestock. My name is Samuel Kawoya. I'm sure that some of you have seen related pictures to this video before. This dairy farm, as I told you earlier, is located in Rukomera village, Luero district, in the central part of Uganda. The owner of this dairy farm, Moses Mukisa, who initially saw his fellow Ugandan farmers benchmarking in Kenya, as they were being broadcasted on BBS television, he also decided to visit that country. When he went back to his motherland Uganda, he started implementing, and this is how his farm looks like today. Those of you who follow the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel have already seen him explain about his farm and its new developments. Of recent, he received 2 visitors at his farm, a one Trifini Muganzi from Lukunjiri and Mrs. Florence Kajimu from Luero, who also first watched him on the same YouTube channel, so they decided to visit him physically to see how he works. Starting from outside here, this is how these cow sheds looks. On the other side, there is a forage cutter which cuts the feeds for more than 35 cows. Last time, we found this place full of silage bags, but now most of them have been consumed by the cows. And over here, we didn't leave this kind of hut, but it has been constructed for some purposes, as we shall see later.
Bwe tuve Kenya guno omwaka mu January wano tewali ennyumba eno teyali.
Now, let's go inside and we see what's going on. Remember, when we came to this place last time, it didn't look like this, but now there's a lot of changes. The owner of this farm says He first went to Kenya in 2025, then he went back in January of 2026. When he came back earlier this year, this place wasn't like this.
Bwe tuva Kenya guno omwaka mu January, wano tewali ennyumba eno teyali bwete. Mwali mubeeramu ente nnya ku space eno 4 ku futi 4.45.
In this 40 by 45 foot space, there were only 4 cows. When Mr. Kawuya took us to Kenya, we came back with more knowledge. Now, this same space will cater for 15 cows. There are several breeds of cattle including Jersey, Friesian and others at this farm. Mr. Mukisa says he wants to have more than 70 cows within a period of 5 years. He's now very happy that in this place, which had only 5 cows, with these new changes, there will now be more. He explains that what helps their cows produce more milk is that they don't struggle to find food. They eat, drink, rest, and then produce more milk.
Itungo.
Banguza ekyuma ekiparking naye wolaba omuddo guli gwe nafuna ate
ente tenement kwebaka wali ejja neyeebaka wano bwe bukuta buno bwe mulaba tubusaamu neyeebaka bulungi nnyo nebanga ewulira emirembe nga gwe bwebaka ku mufalisi.
Sawdust is used for cow bedding because it is soft. Additionally, this keeps them away from the feeding area, which can be dirty and cause illness. This marks the end of today's episode, but in the next part, we shall be able to dive deep into the day-to-day care of a dairy cow. Samuel Kawe is my name, and this educative YouTube channel is called Be Your Own Boss. Kindly comment, like, and don't forget to share with others. Thank you. We meet again.